Hi my gardening angels, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Jess. Today I wanted to show you some of the plants that I got on some plant sales, and also a lot of planters that I just purchased, and also I'm pretty sure there's a grow light in here, and there's a few boxes I'm not quite sure of, so we'll see if it even pertains to this video, but I won't show you those if they don't. I have opened a few of the packages, but I wanted to show you the planters that I bought because I felt like they were very good deals, and I'm very excited to try them out, and I will include links down below. They are on Amazon, so it should be fairly simple and straightforward for all of you guys to get some. I injured myself, if that's what you're wondering what the Band-Aid is. I was weeding and my shovel ripped off my skin, so a little bit of a gardening injury. But I do have a few plants I wanted to show you, and of course the grow light, and then there's just some random other things in here as well. So I thought you guys might be interested in this. So I wanted to show you all of these planters because I have a big project coming up. It's for my house, but it's going to be a way to hang up my house plants, and it's not extremely new, but I think it will look really neat with all of these planters that we bought today. So if you haven't already, definitely go hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss anything, because you'll definitely want to see the end result to that. It's very neat, it's very modern, and it would be very simple for you guys to do if you had the supplies. So I definitely encourage you guys to watch that video and keep your eyes open for that. But let's just kind of jump into it. I wanted to start with the plants. Those are probably the most exciting in my opinion, and I did get a few of them. So let's go to those. All right, so I need my glasses on so I can actually see what I'm doing. But the first one I wanted to show you is the Plumosa fern, and here's the name of the tag. It is a very neat fern, and it reminds me kind of like a Japanese maple almost. It just has very flat horizontal leaves. You can almost see them just disappear, but then if I turn the plant, they're there. It's very airy, very light. I am not very good about keeping ferns alive, but I think I got this for $2 on a plant sale. Now everything is kind of going on sale, and the company that was selling this was part of their like fairy garden collection, and so this was on sale as well, but I figured I can keep it as a house plant, so why not? Now is the perfect time to go hit up some plant sales if you haven't already, because everything is going to be super marked down because they're trying to move all their inventory back inside, and it's kind of that everyone's kind of done with that initial beginner's season. So now is a great time to buy cheap plants, house plants included, because a lot of outdoor plants can be indoor plants like this little fern here. So I thought you guys would like to see this guy. He is very neat looking, and I think he'll make a really cute addition to my little house plant collection. So next plant I wanted to show you is this guy. This is a bird nest fern. Again, a fern. I'm not very good at keeping ferns alive, but I'm trying to learn. So hopefully I'll be more successful with these ones than I have in the past. I'm sorry about my glasses reflection. You can see there's a bunch of new growth coming up here. So I think this will just be really pretty. They were selling this as an outdoor plant, and I think I got him for $7, which really isn't too shabby. So especially for this size of a plant. And so I think this will be really pretty as well inside. And then the last one I wanted to show you, technically I didn't get on sale, but I think you'll like it regardless. So this here, I don't know the name, but give me a second. It's an Opuntia lime green dome. I'll show you this sticker here. You can kind of see what it's called. But I did pay $20 for this, but that's because it is huge, and I am keeping him outside actually as an outdoor plant for the summer, and then he's sitting on our little front patio, and I need to plant him up. He's just in a plain nursery pot still, but our front patio needed a little bit of extra green, and so I thought something like this big, massive statement would be really cute out there. And also I can always bring him in for the winter here so he doesn't die from the cold. So this will be a really fun plant to have around, and I think I'll be able to propagate him and make little babies. But it's huge and massive, and I feel like $20 really isn't that much to spend on something so substantial, especially a cactus. So now let's get into some of the packages. I opened this one already because I was anticipating them, and I'll show you what I'm going to be using them for in the next video with the project for the hanging plants. But they're these cute little glass water holders, and they're essentially for like propagation starts. And so I think that's what I'm going to incorporate into the project, but are some propagations. But they have this little piece of twine, and I'm sure you could replace it with any other type of string that you would like, and you just fill it with water, and then you can put your propagation starts in there and just hang it from wherever. But I liked them because they kind of looked like little science beakers. So that's why I bought them. But they're also just kind of a fun modern planter and a fun way to propagate your plants other than just like jars or something, which also completely works. I also already opened this one, but I bought this one this week as well, and it is a jute twine hanging planter. It's actually very long, which a lot of times hanging planters have very short strings. I've noticed that this one's probably twice as long as some of my other ones. It's just kind of still out of shape a little bit, so I'm just trying to kind of bend it back to normal, but it's a fairly large size. And if you guys are interested in any of these planters, I'll include links down below so you can find them, but they'll be in the description box. But this one's very cute. It's very bohemian, and it's very neutral colored, and I think it will go really nicely with everything. So I'm not actually sure what this box is, so we will see. Some of them just came in the mail. It does say it's from Amazon though, so we'll see. I kind of went crazy buying planters for my project. Wow. Okay, it's a card game my husband bought. That's not a planter. Didn't think I had very many that I didn't know about left, but you never know. Okay, this one I do know because I did open it. I didn't take it out of the box, but I peeked at it. So this one I know what it is. It's kind of going on the same theme as the other one. I really like neutral colors, so the twine and the concrete and different things like that are very appealing to me in planters, and I kind of let the plants be the color in my decor. That's how I like to decorate my house with them. You can kind of see behind me everything's very neutral and plain. So this one I think is going to be really fun if I can get it open. Smells like matcha tea. Maybe I'm imagining it, but there's like a green powder on the outside, so I feel like it's matcha, but I could just be crazy. Kona. All right, so this one is actually a double planter, so this is why I'm so excited about it, because I think this will be so neat. I just have to figure out how it goes. No. Someone keeps trying to steal my bubble wrap. Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm getting it now. I'm understanding. This must be decoration. Give me 1 second here to figure out this planter. Oh, jeez. There we go. Okay, so we have the top little loop here, and then it goes into this little basket, which is plastic lined, and then below it is this little basket, which is also plastic lined, and then that's the little end. So this one's going to be really neat. I want a very fun plant to put in there, but I think that one will add a lot of character to the project as well. Okay, so this is another one that I already opened, but again, I thought you guys would really like and enjoy. It's very modern and very clean looking, and it has a little hook, and it also comes with a ceiling hook. But this is the planter right here, and it is on a swivel, and it hooks up to the ceiling on top like that. Now, for the actual pot, it does not have a drainage hole, but the kit actually comes with 2. So, you know, they're a little bit more spendy, but I bought them because I have a spot in my house. I won't be using this one for the project, but I'm replacing a different planter, and that planter is going to be used for the project, and these two matching ones are going to be going in that area. But I'm just going to put something that does well without drainage, like spider plants or, you know, something very low maintenance in these planters. You wanted to join me? Oh, okay. Well, I have my little assistant up here now. I think she misses her dad. Oh. Well, we only have one box left, Kona. So this is the grow light. Actually, I guess we have two boxes left because we also have our teas, huh? What do you think? Do you think it'll be nice and bright for all the plants? All right, so this grow light, the name is escaping me. Oh, okay, so this grow light is the Mars Hydro grow light, and I'm going to be doing a review of this grow light so that you guys can kind of see how it works and see if you're interested in it and different things like that. The packaging's really nice. It comes very protected. They claim that this can grow anything, so we're going to hopefully be trying it with both succulents and other types of plants. I think she's more interested in the box. But so this is the Mars Hydro grow light. It's an LED grow light. So I'm not sure what color this light is. I'd have to look at it. For whatever reason, I think it's white, but we'll have to see. Otherwise, my plan was that I'll just probably use it down in my basement where it's a little bit cooler, and maybe we can just grow spinach and different salad varieties all year round. So that's kind of the plan with this one. So like I said, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because you'll want to stay tuned for the review on this. I'm hoping that this grow light does really well and is really good quality. So we'll be putting it through the ringer, but you can kind of expect to see that review hopefully in about a month. But thought you guys might be interested. I'll include a link down below too if you're interested now in checking it out, because it's a little bit more of a smaller option than the ones that I currently use. So hey guys, so it's actually a few days later from when I filmed the first part of this video, but I wanted to film just 2 more packages that I just got in the mail, and I think you guys are really going to like this one. So this little envelope here is actually from Serbia. It is my succulent seeds, and I am so excited for this. I did buy several different varieties, so I'll go over them with you. And then my second package is that I got some more tea, and this is my July box, so I'm really excited to try those. But let's open up the succulent seed package. Okay, so this is my little package here. We have a security system that we just got actually, and our mailwoman, when she was dropping off the package, looked pretty suspicious about my package coming from Serbia. But this is from rareplant.me. That's the website address, and I'm very excited. So I bought lots. Let's see here. So this company is the same company that I bought my other seeds from, and they all did really good. But I only think I got 3 different varieties to actually grow, and I think I planted 6 or 8, like somewhere in there. And so these are all of the ones that I bought this time. Seeds from succulents are extremely small, but I'm noticing that there's a few that are a little bit bigger, so I'm hoping I'll be able to see them a little bit better. But I did buy a plant that I grew, and it did well, and then I killed it. But I'm going to be showing you guys me planting up all these seeds, and I've gotten a lot of questions about succulent seeds and growing them recently, and so I'm going to actually kind of do a every step of the process video. But I thought I would start by, you know, showing you guys how I'm setting these up. And I will include some links down below to other succulent seed videos if you guys are interested on kind of that piece. But this company is really fun. They actually sent me 4, it looks like 4 different seeds that are actually a gift and that I didn't buy. So they sent kind of a few different plants that I'm gonna have to look up. One thing that I did learn last time though is that I really need to have a better system of labeling my succulent seeds. And I've been saving up pots, so hopefully I can have a separate container for all of them. But my grow lights are very empty right now since I have all of my vegetable garden seeds out. So I'm really excited to start these. So definitely subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't miss out on that. And then my tea box. So this is the last package that we have for this like massive unboxing. I think quarantine finally got to me. But these are my July teas. I have a black tea, a blended black tea, a white tea, and then a maple type of tea. So I'm really excited to try that. I kind of love these different packages, and just kind of getting different types of tea is just kind of really fun. So I'll include the subscription box below. I look forward to getting my box every month. But that is all I have for you guys today. Definitely make sure that you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so that you can catch the new project coming up, and also me growing the succulent seeds. I think you guys are really going to enjoy those videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.